The importance of project-based learning, PBL. Project-based learning goes beyond memorizing facts. It equips learners with real-world skills and deeper understanding through hands-on, meaningful experiences. 1. PBL promotes deeper understanding and retention. PBL enables learners to apply knowledge to authentic contexts, leading to stronger understanding and longer-lasting learning. For example, instead of just learning about climate change from a textbook, learners design a local campaign to reduce carbon footprints in their school community. They remember the science because they used it. 2. PBL develops 21st-century skills. Through PBL, learners practice critical thinking, collaboration, communication, creativity, and problem-solving, skills vital for modern careers and citizenship. For example, in a project to design a community garden, learners brainstorm ideas, creativity, work in teams, collaboration, delegate tasks, communication, and adjust their plans based on soil testing results, critical thinking. 3. PBL increases engagement and motivation. Learning becomes more exciting when learners can see the purpose behind it and take an active role. For example, a learner who struggles with math becomes highly engaged when asked to design a budget for a student-led fundraiser, suddenly seeing the relevance of percentages and addition in real life. 4. PBL enhances collaboration and communication. Most PBL tasks involve working in teams, which teaches learners how to communicate clearly, listen to others, share responsibilities, and resolve disagreements. For example, during a project to create a school newspaper, learners take on roles like editor, reporter, and designer, learning how to give and receive constructive feedback in the process. 5. PBL connects learning to the real world. PBL makes learning more authentic by solving real problems or simulating real work environments. For example, in a business studies class, learners create and market a product at a school fair. They learn about economics, design, and customer service in a hands-on way. 6. PBL builds lifelong learning skills. PBL encourages learners to take charge of their own learning by being curious, resourceful, and persistent. For example, when faced with technical issues while building a website for a project, learners learn how to search for solutions online, ask experts, and teach themselves skills they'll use throughout life. 7. PBL strengthens problem-solving and decision-making skills. PBL challenges learners to analyze situations, explore options, and make decisions with real consequences. For example, in a conservation project, learners assess their school's resource usage, identify areas for improvement, and recommend changes. This develops both analytical and decision-making skills. Therefore, PBL creates an engaging environment where learners learn not just what, but how and why, and this prepares them to succeed in school, work, and life.